Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiki's Kinky Curls. Starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, today we'll be doing a Flexi Rod set using my favorite go-to products. I went ahead and applied tea tree oil to my scalp and sectioned my hair in 6 parts. To achieve this Flexi Rod set, I will be using the Curl Stretch Pudding by Shea Moisture. Also, I have a spray bottle with warm water on deck. Y'all already know. A Demon brush to detangle my hair. And you guys know I gotta have my Wet Line Extreme Gel, one of my favorite holds. And I also have more Flexi Rods and a wide tooth comb. Reasons why I really love these products is because they always come through for me. Second, I'm going in with my moisture, the Shea Butter Curl Stretch Pudding. And lastly, I'm going in with the Extreme Gel to hold and define whatever curl these Flexi Rods create. Started off with medium sections, 2-strand twisted halfway down, and then I will detangle through and then apply the Flexi Rod. Applying the Flexi Rods are a little odd to get used to, but basically you just want to roll the ends of your hair onto the Flexi Rod after you've detangled and twist, and you're going to roll it towards you. You're going to roll it towards you, and then you're going to flick your wrist around. And lastly, you're going to squeeze down the top and the bottom to make sure that curl does not come unraveled. And voila! You got you a Flexi Rod curl. Okay, you guys, one more close-up of me rolling this onto my hair. Just repeat the steps until I finish my whole head. The Curl Stretch Pudding that I'm using contains shea butter, and shea butter is great for frizzy hair, and it also protects your hair naturally from the sun. The tea tree oil that I apply to my scalp basically helps to unclog hair follicles and nourish my roots. It tackles dryness, it helps with itchy, redness, and soothes the scalp. It's an antifungal conditioner. Applying the tea tree oil to my scalp would allow my hair to stay clean throughout the heat and throughout my workouts for the week. It has been one of my staple products because it has allowed my hair to grow stronger and thicker throughout my natural journey. So I almost never use heat. I pretty much just let my hair air dry overnight with a bonnet on, and I'm applying Aussie Moisture's avocado oil serum. And what this is going to help do is basically stop my hair from frizzing as I take down my Flexi Rod set. It promotes shine, and it makes my hair feel super soft, and it does smell really nice. It has a nice smell, and it's light. It's not too thick. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I kind of didn't have any faith in this outcome, but it came out pretty decent. And as I'm just taking these down, like, I'm totally shook with these results. Like, I'm shook. My hair looks really, really good. It looks hydrated. It's super shiny, and it feels amazing. You want to make sure you're taking your time unraveling these twists the same way that you put them in, and do not rush. I repeat, do not rush when you take down your Flexi Rod set, or it will be frizzy. I'm going in with my handy dandy pick. This is totally optional. I just want a little more volume for first day hair, and I don't want to pick it too much because I want this to last me for the week. So style it up, I just applied the Jam Shine Honey and some bobby pins. I know, I'll let you guys listen to the music.